Hi! In front of me is VIVO T1 Pro 5, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this Android. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in iOS Launcher. After that, you need to download this app from this developer. When it's ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, tap on while using the app and allow in all pop-ups. Then close Launcher app and go into Devices settings. In them, scroll down to access apps. Then scroll down again, click on Default apps. And finally, Home app. Lastly, in order to apply iOS Launcher, just click on it. Then tap on Got It. As you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my device. If you wish to switch between your layouts, you can do that by going into the same settings and choosing System Home or iOS Launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!